How to adjust text size on iPhone. So this can be carried out in different ways. Let's go to settings. So scroll to accessibility, then tap on display and text size. Now here tap on this button like text. Toggle on this button, then drag this to this place. As you drag it, you see that the text here becomes bigger and bigger. So this has to do with you. So select any of these, then tap on back again. So that is that here. Then as well. Now the second settings is very simple. Come back to the settings again. Scroll up to the button that says display and brightness. Tap on it. Now that tap on display and brightness, here you see this option says text size. Tap on it. Now you can reduce it here as well. You can make it bigger. You can see the maximum it can reach here. So you can drag it back to suit your taste. Now tap back. So that is the second place or second process to adjust the size of text on iPhone. The last but not the least is also under the display and brightness. So tap on it. Display zoom, tap on this button. Now you have two options here. You have the defaults. By tapping on default and tap on done, it resets everything to to default. Then tap on it again and tap on light text. Then tap on done. So tap on use zoom. So doing this, guys, reset your iPhone to the larger text, so you can as well take a look at the text on the screen that is a bit bigger. So as well, you can use the defaults. Tap on done as well. Tap on use standard. This will also restart your text on the iPhone and tap on done. So this is a simple process, guys, on how to adjust the text size on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.